Hey everybody, welcome back to Where's Jared? It's your boy, Jared. Today we have the 26DBH-L from Alpha Wolf. This is a Cherokee product. Cherokee's one of those brands that does everything top to bottom, really. So they start off with their wolf pups, stick and tin, 16 off center, 2x2 wood framing, and then all the way up to their big fifth wheels that are laminated. This is gonna be a laminated travel trailer, 16 off center aluminum framing, right? 2x3, I believe. 2-inch thick block foam insulation. Very, very nice unit. It's a very popular floor plan. They make this in both the Cherokee Grey Wolf and the Alpha Wolf. So it's a 2-entry unit. Second entry is into the bathroom. First entry is into the main room. We always have the outside kitchen with the Alpha Wolves. They do a great job with that stuff. But let's get into the meat and potatoes, guys. Let's go inside here. Oh, look at these steps too, by the way. Brand new. Just saw them for the first time. Little gimbal action. Look at that. Just saw them for the first time in Boston, I believe. They are a very, very comfortable step up. There's a couple tweaks that I would make to it over here on the side, like the way you actually work with them. But they are pretty nice, and they're very comfortable walking up into the coach. Let's see if I can get this thing. All right. Travel tree at the time, baby. I realized today that I hadn't done any Cherokee stuff yet. And Cherokee's the bread and butter, baby. Cherokee's the bread and butter. That's what we started with. That's where we started at. And we still love them. Let's start off in the bedroom like we always do. Why not? So coming up here into the bedroom, you gotta love it. Look how residential that looks. Overhead cabinets, hanging wardrobes. I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. No mirror in here, boys, no mirror. Dowel rod across the top. We already know the game. Coming around, ooh, ooh. Ooh, what's this? What do we got going on in here? Four-sided. You guys see it? We love the four-sided plywood. So just like in some of the other products, power everywhere you can sleep. Coming over to the other side. Give you guys a good look. Look at that. Tons of space, tons of space. I love the track lights on the ceiling. They're dimmable too. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh, set the mood. Set the mood. I love it. They're not super whitewashed either. They're doing a good job with it. Look at this giant closet space. At least a Where's Jared. At least one Where's Jared can fit in there. I'm not going to show you guys, but you believe it. 12 by 12 backer. Swings through to the front. I'm going to show you that in just a second here. And then we've just got the typical pocket door, kind of. Something really, really cool about this coach. Something really, really cool about this coach. Well, one time for the boys. Look at this. So this is your hidden closet. I'm going to show you this one more time when we get back over there. But, dude, let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17 bags of Frito-Lays, dude. Let's go! And then we've got the coax cable for power hookup for the TVs. So your TV from the bedroom is going to go right through there. It's going to come right up into here. I'm going to plug it right in. What a cool feature. I love these hidden closets, dude. They're so sick. Matches just like that. You do have the fireplace that's going to smoke you out. If it's 50 degrees in here, you don't need to turn your furnace on. That's going to do enough. Right? That thing will smoke you out. Well, coat rack. Why not? Why not? And look at this place. Look at how spacious this is. Double over double bunks. You have the U-shaped dinette, which we will make a bed because it's already halfway there. And then just a jackknife sofa with some storage underneath it. Oh, look at all that. Bed mode. All right. I am not joking. That is the most comfortable bed in the entire coach. I promise you. Get a good look at these bunks. Look at these bunks. Ladder. Tons of storage underneath there with that door right there. So the concept with that door right there, you guys see it? The concept with that door right there is if you guys are getting ready to load up for a weekend trip, you don't have to power the slide to get underneath this bunk for storage. You can just slide stuff right in there. It's a beautiful feature. I like it. Not judging, just nudging. Not judging, just nudging, guys. But maybe we change this drawer up a little bit. Maybe we change it up just a little bit. I don't know. With the ladder there, you can't really get into it. There's your pulls for the table here. Let's get a good look at this. Good look at the kitchen, because we love a kitchen. We be eating in my house. We be eating in my house. Ooh, oh. It's for the boys. Tons of cabinet space. 2 zip codes. 2 zip codes. That's an easy 2 zip codes. Tons of space. Cutoff valves like that. Nice feature. That's the bar dandy from the bar that you wish you never worked at. Honey bronze accent with the spray and pray. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. This one comes with a cutting board, which is super nice. Dish rack drain thing. And then these 2 components on the inside that actually come right out. So you can rinse your veggies, do whatever you need to do with those. And then just like a dish thing. And then the whole thing comes out and it's just one bassinet. I love it. Did we miss a light? It feels like we missed a light in here. There's one. There's 2. And of course, we've got the glass backsplash. Why not? They're going to do it. They're going to do it every time. Look at that. And we're going to leave it up this time, guys, because we're not going anywhere with this thing. This thing's stuck for 5 more days. No hams or turkeys, but pizzas and Hot Pockets are in. Standard microwave from Furrion. Nothing crazy. Pizza rolls. 12-volt refrigerator and freezer when their food is... Let's make something new. Let's go with something new this time. When their food is soggy, yours is going to be frosty. Boom. What does that say, boys? Pantry, Frito-Lay. Plug me in, Frito. Come on, please. I'm asking you so nicely. Double over double bunks. I'm not even going to try to get up there, guys. I am fat. But they look comfy. Look at this. Decent bathroom. For something that's like kind of like a beginner coach, this is an awesome bathroom. Are we porcelain? Are we a porcelain stink sink? Oh my God. We're porcelain. Guys, one last time for the boys. Medicine cabinet, toothbrush, toothpaste, Tylenol. This is not a bad one. I mean, it's not my favorite, obviously. Obviously. But we do have the mock marble. We're a huge fan of that. You guys know that about me. I'm a huge fan of the mock marble. And I do like the black accent there. 1.8 gallon per minute. Heavy flow, heavy flow. Decent storage. Towels, hand towels, and hand lotions you love to buy but never use. No mock marble. No mock marble in here. Let's give it a little floor test. Let's give it a Tubby Guy turbulence test real quick, though. Just want to check it out. Ooh, it's a big step up. Holy headroom, of which there is none. Guys, I'm 5'8" and I'm touching the roof here. Right, I'm not here to lie to you. If you... Guys. No Tubby Guy turbulence on the floor, but dude, tall guy turbulence all day. But we do also have... Here, let me see if I can get a good angle. Fart Fan 3000. We love them. We love them. That's super powerful. If you ever have a guest here you don't want using your bathroom ever again, tell them to turn the fan on before they flush. It's going to suck that gas right into their face. They're never going to use your toilet ever again. That's pretty much it for the inside. Touched on everything. Let's get to the outside, though, because the outside is really cool. Ooh. Road vac. It's pretty awesome. Good job, Cherokee. So what the system is, in case you guys don't know, you're out there, you're camping, you don't want to bring a whole vacuum cleaner with you. You don't even need to bring a dustpan anymore. Just bring a broom. You're going to sweep everything up to this pile right here, and then you're going to kick that floor plate up. I wonder if it actually works since we're plugged into power right now. So it's an actual vacuum cleaner that just comes with the coach. which I like. I think it's a nice feature. Good look at the outside. Good wheelbase too. I like that. It's a good spread. Good spread. Smoother ride down the road. We have the PSX1 automatic stabilizer, so it's electric stabilizing jack. You have a control panel right here. Extend. See it coming down. And then retract. So the PSX1's, PSX2 has 2 motors, PSX1 has 1 motor. So one leg's gonna go down, then the other leg's gonna go down. The PSX2, they both go down at the same time. We have those front and back. Huge storage pass-through storage compartment up here on the front. It's massive space, look at it. This one does have solar on top. I assume it is 200 volt, but I bet it says somewhere on the coach, or 200 watt, but I bet it says somewhere else on the coach where it actually is, but I assume it's 200. Good look at the front here. It does come with a battery. They have amazing automotive front caps. So that's an automotive windshield with fiberglass front cap. Looks very, very nice on these. Very sleek, very modern, very... Well, what were they saying on the internet like 2 months ago? Don't remember. Power tongue jack, 220 pounds. Battery. Here's the other side of that pass-through storage. Bang! I'm gonna do the kitchen last, guys. I really do like the outside kitchens on Alpha Wolf. So this one's not amazing, but it is pretty cool. Scorn spouse shower. Good look at what that looks like. Don't get in trouble, boys. Under the bunk. Here's our power adapter. Fresh water connection, cable hookup, satellite hookup, black tank flush, if I had to guess. And city water inlet, right? So remember, black tank flush is the sprinkler system you ran through in the summer days of yonder. City water connect is where you hook up the hose to actually use the water, okay? So this is hosing out your stink tank, and this is actual usable water. Little light just for hooking up, makes it a little bit easier. Tankless on-demand hot water heater. Remember, guys, we know it from the Circle. Circle exhaust means tankless on-demand hot water. Look at that. I don't think we opened one of those yet. In my defense, this is also the first video I've ever done inside.
Clean up a situation. So there was some, on the outside of the tire, there was...
Look at this thing. She's pretty. There's your furnace exhaust. Mud daubers and wasps go in there, so you get yourself one of those screens, okay? It's got 2 springs, holds the screen. Look at this thing. Ooh, do we get a time on the board? So we have the gray stone, which is just like a step below blackstone. Everybody knows. Everybody knows that. Gray stone flat top griddle, hot point refrigerator. 28 cold ones in there, boys. And then, do we have anything else that comes out of here? No, that's it, guys. That's it. We love them, though. Anything that gives me a free grill, am I okay with? Oh, we didn't. Oh, God, guys. You're letting me down. You guys are letting me down. You let me forget all about it. Oh. What do we see? What do we see? Do we see plywood? I think we see plywood. That means... A-okay. Folks, I appreciate you guys. This is awesome. This is my first time using the gimbal. I hope it came out okay. I will see you guys at the Springfield RV show in just a couple days. We were working our butts off to get this thing put together. Jared out.